how to send Amazon gift card to another country. Here, simply go ahead and search for Amazon and the country you want to go ahead and give the gift card, and then simply press gift cards and then press and search. So once you go there, there will be a link of the Amazon of that country where you want to send the card, your gift card. So here that reads Amazon.de, that's for Germany. So let's go ahead and press there. So once I press there, here you can see different categories of those gift cards. Simply I want to send up to the Amazon e-gift card. So here you can select from various cards that are aligned. So simply select any of the cards. See, for example, I want to give this Amazon e-gift card. So here I'll have to select the amount, and then here you will have to enter the recipients or the one who receives their email information. Also, you can put on this gift message like this: hope you can enjoy this card. So also enter the delivery date where you want to deliver them. So for example, if they you want to deliver them in their birthday, so you can simply press on their enter their birthday date. So that's how you do it. And once you do that, simply press on the buy now option that will be appearing right in your right side, and then simply you will be following the prompts, and then the gift cards will be delivered. So hopefully this helped. Thank you.